Hello, guys. Welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. We are doing STL Patreon for February 2023, Part 2. If you do like the video, subscribe, like, and share. And check out our Patreon, Discord, and Etsy store as well. We have more stuff that's added on to the store. And we're doing my mini Monster Mayhem. And they finally released the photo of it. It's called Nightmare Fuel. It's Field's Nightmare. It looks pretty good. I think a lot of these are from the Underdark, especially these Lithid dragons as well. That looks like it. I have no idea. It's a face with a big ass mouth in the back of it, the ground. I know it's supposed to be inspired by Nightmare, but probably good in Dark Souls or a Elden Ring D&D or tabletop version of a game, I would say, for it. Yeah. Or someone drew a dream walk for it and they saw this. And they have probably the screwed up imagination if possible. Ash would probably like it as well. There's Portal. I'll probably print this. I forget what these are called that the beholder dreamed of as well. They look pretty damn cool, I'll say, right now. But it's not pie printed and painted during Halloween. But yeah, there's your my mini Monster Mayhem. We have Epic right now. This is the February release that we have. I don't think this is all of it. This is some of it. So we have like a pirate beholder around here. And we have a Viking ship. I wish we could see a lot better. Only thing I can do is look at the updates. So we have some krakens, squids, tentacles, boats. We have a, I don't know what they are called, but pelican beaks. So there's some sea elves. Some well folks. I think these are like humpbacks, I would say. We got some crustaceans, sea crustaceans, probably a sea drake for it. We're looking fish, shark folk. I probably will print some of these out. I'll be doing another sea adventures, but other than that, sea adventures is just really difficult a lot of times as well. I might do like a water elemental plane for them to go and do this, but other than that, there's nothing I can really do much about. Well, yeah, we have part 2 Viking, so we have a little bit of Viking for the epic as well. This is $10 and you get a whole bunch of shit, and you get like throwbacks and a whole bunch of crap with it as well. They're pretty small. Them are pretty small. I think they're like 24 or 26 millimeter scale for it. Just letting you guys know. And we got the Invictus miniature. I might get that from I'm working on Warhammer now, so we are going to be doing some Blood Angel painting for this coming weeks. I have a lot that I have to repaint because I bought a lot of them, and someone likes to spew pastel colors all over it, and I don't have the money to strip the paint, so I'm gonna paint over it. We got some deers, Vikings as well. So there's your epic. For that, Arcane Minis. The Sordine Stories Echo of Madness. So it always comes with a ship if you do an Admiral. So you have your Lithid ship, a different type of Lithid ship as well. I think it's pretty cool. I am doing a Spelljammer campaign. So a lot of these will be helpful in my campaigns. We have a lot of Lithinoid creatures as well, and your Mind Flayer pirates, and that's pretty damn cool. Mind Flayers are great to use if you know how to use them properly. If you don't, then you probably end up killing creatures as well. They like having slaves, magic caster, eat your brain if they're hungry. You got like demonoids as well. So they have like a whole bunch of stuff about what they are. And they like to experiment on things as well, putting tadpoles on other things and see what happens. And for that as well. So it'll be pretty cool looking for it. So you'll have little demon like I believe tadpoles that turns into this. I really don't know. But you know, different planets, for different things. Looks like they don't like, like use if it's Pathfinder, this would be a lot easier. It'd be like the technology. I forgot the technology guild, I believe, that goes around and steal technology and use it for their own gain as well. Those are pretty good. Or he uses his Doom fodder as well, so that would be pretty cool. So that is Arcanus. And this one is also Arcanus that we don't need. Warp Miniature Digital Workshop. This is something I have not got. I think this month is Swarms, and I am going to get the Swarms because getting swarms of different things is very hard to get, and especially very good quality of it. So you get the bat. It looks like you get a snake or eel-like. You get your piranhas, you get your spiders, and your rat for it. But it's always to get swarms. Swarms are very nasty and very fun for beginner level for campaigns, to tell you the truth as well. Dragon Rest. We got looks like a torture device for it that butchers and stuff. See it right there. And you get a lot of little knick-knack pieces like bookshelves, a weapon, chair, table, mug. So Dragon Rest is really good if you need like little knickknacks and stuff in your little tabletop game, and it's really good to have a lot of those visual for your players to see, oh, what's that? What's in there? I'm going to search this area and stuff like that. So Dragon Rest is pretty good as well. A lot of these are $10 or less around there. I don't think Pusher Monster has anything out yet. I know this is a preview. Looks like Papa Nurgle version of the Swamp. So I will move this towards the end so that we can look at it later once everything is out for it. Okay, Cyber Forge. Gimmies. Cyber Forge Miniature. For February, we got the chaos, usually the Titan City stories, and your little Star Trek looking ships as well. So Sunfall Tales, we have, let's see here, we have a lot of Null looking and robotics and stuff. Some of these robotics you guys use it for Dark Eldars. They have a lot of those similar looking masks. You have your Chaos, looks like Slaanesh. You can see, Slaanesh with his claws in his hands. So the female Slaanesh, I don't know what this demon, and that's more for Kron. Like I said, we're doing Warhammer, but we're going to be playing a lot of proxies for it because Warhammer's expensive as hell, and yeah, we're buying the files and print it out. It's a lot cheaper towards the end for that. But we have actual Warhammer that I'm actually going to be painting for now. That I had for a very long time. Fallout used one as well. But yeah, these are pretty cool looking. If you want to, I do want to do a sci-fi style type of game. That would be great for it. But we'll see how this goes. We'll like to do a lot of ship battle. Oh, I will need that for my Spelljammer. That looks very good for my Spelljammer ship. And well, just basically one piece. It doesn't take apart. Okay. We got that for it. Next is Primal Beast Mini. I don't know if they have released anything out yet for February. I don't think they are going to release anything out for February. Usually they should have a preview by now, but I guess not. They usually come in and out. We're at the J-Crawl from last month for that. Gamescape 3D. Let's see what they have. That'll be it probably for this video, for this one. Let's see here. Underworld Empire. So we have another type. The last one was they were doing orcs. Looks like it is a fort they're doing this time. Looks like really bad paint job. I could do a lot better than that. Yeah, you know, grays, brown, orange, and dry brushing it. That might look for it. But yeah, this would probably be pretty good for like a 4. It looks like one of the Wrath of Lich King's walls, to tell you the truth, for that as well. I'm gonna have to buy magnets to magnetize a lot of these things together. Make it a lot easier for a lot of things for it as well. I do have a giant printer. I can print these things for it. So you can actually go by level, so that's a great thing. And you can modify it pretty much however you want so far, I guess, with these 3. But we'll see how that goes. Well, anyhow, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon, Discord, and Etsy. And I'll leave down in the comments which one you guys like the most. Anyhow, guys, take care and have a nice day. Bye.